Alright. Uh-oh. We're installing a spring back on the shock for a Suzuki 700 King Quad. We machine shop just made a little jig here to put at the top, and we're using a press to push down on the jig so we can compress the spring and get the washer caught in there.
Just want to make sure it's square so it doesn't pop out of there on it.
The jig is just a piece of, it's just a steel ring with a flat plate at the top.
A couple 3/8 key stock welded. You got it good and square. You don't want it to come out of there, pop out and hurt somebody.
That looks good. Put the washer in there. Done.
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Nice.